Good morning, everyone. So today time is 9:15 around. Market has to here to start. So market just started. So now I'm going to select the scripts, which is already segregated based on their prices. Market yet to give some information about the movement. There is a math behind these scripts, guys. We'll explain in some other videos why we selected it. We selected Apollo Hospital as we have seen that yesterday's movement and day before yesterday's. I just fast forwarded this because it will save our time. Market just took support from the middle band and moved nearby top band. So it will retrace for some time. As we expected it, yes, it's retraced. As you have seen, in these five bands, um, middle band is very important because this middle band will catch the price, and this price it's not easy to move either up or down. So when the price within the range of middle band, we should be very careful to trade because definitely it will go sideways for some time. Actually, I am checking the scripts, how the market is moving. Actually, I placed a trade at 1413 rupees, 1413. I'm going, just a second, I'm bringing the window. After placing an order, it price came down. Now we are at red. Let's see how it will move. Great, we are green and again red. This is the most difficult part in trading because when our capital is very less, if we are not confident enough, definitely we are going to close the order if we don't have bands. Okay, but when you gain the experience, then you will keep waiting to give some information about the price movement. Okay, this is the greatness of this band. Okay, if you see the immediate candle took support and it is moving upper, right? So this is the greatness of trend actually, which our bands follows. Let's wait for some other retracement. Yes, again, this is the third time. This is the third time which is taking support. Yes, it took. Now the next candle is also moved. This is the live trading with our bands. So you can understand how we are enjoying the trading by using our bands. Always we should control our emotions when we are manually trading. When you when you control your emotions, then only you can earn money in the trade. Once your emotions control you, definitely there is no point of sitting in front of computer and doing the trade. So be careful with the trading. Anyway, you should stick to your basics. See how slowly it is going up. It's a kind of mountain trekking. Slowly and steadily it is moving up, which is following trend again. So if I am correct, definitely it will come down now because of the red candle and the pin bar which is rejected at upper band. Yes, 100% it will come down. Upper band is rejecting very badly. Great. Finally it's moved up. Now we can expect some retracement again. Retracement is nothing but so many people placed, yes, so many people already placed an order. So to move further, it's a kind of jumping from price to price. So then new orders will place, then it will take support or cushion to move further. As I expected, that pin bar started working now. Yes. Now this is the time where we are panic. Okay. Anyhow, the movement is not much as that before to red candle. Yes, this is the greatness of trend. See how many candles it took from upper band to middle band, and within two candles it moved up. This is the retracement, exact retracement, guys. So we are booking profit now. I don't want to take risk as I am fed up with waiting. Been almost 4 hours. This trade is running. Oh my god, it got missed that 1426. So I am revising it. Let's wait for some time. Either it, because it's not crossing the upper band, it didn't even come nearby. So I hope it will go up. Yes, yes, come on. 25. It's not crossing even 25. So I want to book the profit at 1425. Yes, I just placing an order. Yes, it's closed. Great. We booked 120 rupees for now. If you like this video, kindly share, subscribe, and hit a bell icon. And if you have any doubts or comments, please leave a comment at the comment section. You will get a reply within 48 hours. Hope you enjoyed in today's trading. Thank you.